case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the heart of Houma, a dispute arose when a shoe shop owner's car found its resting place not in a parking spot, but in an alley, creating an issue that made its way to Louisiana Court of Appeal in 1965. The alley was part of a property collectively owned by Mrs. Santa Scurto LeBlanc, Mr. Sam Scurto, and Mrs. Antonia Mule Scurto. Mr. Sam Scurto, also the shoe shop owner, had agitated his co-owners by one seemingly small but disruptive act, parking his car in their shared alley and effectively blocking their access. Fed up with the obstruction, the plaintiffs sought a legal course of action to ensure their equal right to the common property. Interestingly, the defendant did not counter this move by seeking his injunction to block the plaintiffs from using the alley. Thus, the crux of the lawsuit transcended a simple matter of an obstructed alley. Instead, it bore significant implications on the co-owning rights on a shared property. In the lower court, the plaintiffs presented their case. They argued the defendant was wastefully using the shared property, denying them of their shared rights and disrupting harmony amongst co-owners. The court found merit in these arguments, and the plaintiffs were awarded an injunction against the defendant, prohibiting him from parking his car in the alley. This case was appealed, and the decision had to be reaffirmed by the Louisiana Court of Appeal. The court concurred with the lower court's decision and upheld it, giving a clear signal that co-owners have the right to equal use and possession of a common property. A co-owner wishing for exclusive control of a shared area, the court proclaimed, must seek a suit for partition separate from the current proceedings. Thus, Mr. Scurto was officially forbidden from parking in the alley. The case of LeBlanc v. Scurto thereby affirmed that co-ownership laws mandate equal access and protection against wasteful usage, a precedent that continues to guide the interpretation of property disputes in Louisiana.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.